So here we are going to find out the Laplace transform of e raised to minus 3t error function of root t. Now let's write it down. So we have to find the value of Laplace of e raised to minus 3t error function of root t. Now guys, if you'll observe the given function, then it is matching with one property, and that property is first shifting theorem, because it is in the format e raised to at into f of t. So here I can say that this error function of root t is f of t, and if I'll show you the property, then according to the property, if we have a Laplace of e raised to at f of t, then the answer is phi of s minus a, that is a function of s minus a. Here we have e raised to minus 3t, so it means we have this a as negative, so we'll get phi of s plus a, and to get phi of s plus a, we'll find it out from phi of s, where phi of s is Laplace of f of t. It means the function which is multiplying this e raised to minus at term, we'll call it as f of t. We'll find the Laplace of it, we'll call it as phi of s, and in that phi of s, we'll substitute s as s plus a to get the answer. So here I'll say f of t is equal to error function of root t. So therefore I need to find out Laplace of f of t, which is Laplace of error function of root t. Now the Laplace of error function of root t, we can derive it, but as we know the formula of Laplace of error function of root t, we are gonna substitute it directly. So the Laplace of error function of root t is 1 upon s root of s plus 1. So here I'll say it is 1 upon s root of s plus 1. So this is the value of Laplace of function of t, and we call it as phi of s. Now this function of s we will use in first shifting property. So here I'll say by first shifting property, Laplace of e raised to minus 3t error function of root t, that is f of t, is equal to phi of s plus 3. So here I have applied the property. Now since I want to find phi of s plus 3 from phi of s, I'll substitute s as s plus 3. So here we'll get 1 upon s is s plus 3 in root s plus 3 plus 1. So it means we'll get the value as 1 upon s plus 3 into root of s plus 4. So guys, here we got the Laplace transform of e raised to minus 3t into error function of root t as 1 upon s plus 3 into root of s plus 4. And to derive it, we use the formula of Laplace of error function of root t as 1 upon s root of s plus 1. So you can use the derivation to get the value of Laplace transform of error function of root t as 1 upon s root of s plus 1. Thank you.